If you want to remove blur in Picsart, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. One of the features that Picsart gives is the removing or fixing the details in your photo. So if you have a blur in the unnecessary location, they will fix that with their generated AI. You can go ahead and click the retouch right here. And you're going to see the HD portrait. Go ahead and click on it. Unfortunately, I cannot move or proceed to the next step because they're always going to show a white screen because they want to protect that copyright and the ownership basically. And go ahead to the HD portrait. You're gonna wait for a few moments and then they're gonna show you the before and after picture, and basically you're gonna be able to fix the unnecessary blur in your photo or remove it once and for all. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.